Friday, everybody. Good morning. My apologies for sending out the video a little bit late. We had some server issues last night, and I got locked out. I'm not sure what happened. We've been upgrading some things on the membership area, and I think something got broken on my end. We're looking at the British pound here, so let me give a quick recap of what I was talking about last night. You can see that the market is forming this larger pennant pattern on the daily bars, and this type of pattern is exactly what I've been talking about actually for a couple of months now. Remember, when the market breaks out of a larger consolidation area, some traders call this the market's boxing out or the rectangle, whatever you might call it. When the market breaks out of this type of long-term consolidation area, the first thing or the first sign of that breakout is this classic, easy to see pennant pattern, or sometimes it's a flag pattern. But really what you're seeing is that the professional money is continually pushing down and probing for sellers, pushing down and probing for sellers. Remember, if you want to know the key to understanding the markets, it's understanding how the professional traders manipulate prices in order to get what they want. And remember, it's not manipulation in a bad thing. It's not like they're out there doing everything illegal. And I paused there for a second because some of them will do illegal things. We talked about some of that in Dallas. But for the most part, these guys are doing everything that they can legally. They're just manipulating price. And actually a good example of this is a show called Deal or No Deal. The reason why I love watching that show is because it's literally a crash course in market psychology. Now, here's a case in point. A couple nights ago, I don't remember when it was, I was sitting there with my wife watching Deal or No Deal, and there was a woman on there who was trying to be a professional poker player. And she picked a case, and she was just convinced that her case held $1 million. So they're getting down to the last couple of cases, and literally she went all the way down to 2 cases. So there's one case over here, we'll call that number 5, and then she's holding a case, we'll call that number 13. So her case so she felt that 13 had her case. Well, in the case right before number 5, I believe on the board there was something like $25, 750,000. Oops, got my comma wrong.